574 Naples Fla, runway 23, turn right heading 270, clear for takeoff.
Jet A23 is with you on a right downwind for a 5-mile final, runway 23.
Jet A23, roger, make the right turn back towards the airport, at least one departure ahead, Challenger jet, runway 23, clear to land, wind 22012, gust 16.
All right, Challenger jet departing, we're turning back towards the airport and clear to land, runway 23, Jet A23.
Jet 574, runway 23, turn right heading 270, clear for takeoff, traffic 3-mile final, Challenger jet.
Question 574, off. Okay, Challenger, Jet A23, lost both engines, emergency. I'm making an emergency landing.
Service, got the emergency, clear to land, runway 23, is that Jet A23?
We're clear to land, but we're not going to make the runway. We've lost both engines.
Drop Jet 574 to hold short. Tower Shadow 5, where's that?
Shadow 5, there are two northwest right over I-75. Jet A23.
Everybody stand by. There's an alert 3 in progress. Everybody stand by.
Tower Shadow 5, rescue helicopter, request to go to the scene.
Shadow 5, proceed direct as requested. Jet 574, Naples Fla, runway 23, turn right heading 270. Clear for takeoff.
Inflection 574. Departure heading is 270, clear for takeoff, runway 23.
Naples Tower 71 Foxtrot Charlie, we've been orbiting out here to the east, waiting instructions.
71 Foxtrot Charlie, you can continue inbound for midfield left downwind of runway 23.
Midfield left downwind 23, 71 Foxtrot Charlie.